Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce this car wash foam gun. That's a car wash sprayer with adjustable foam and dial foam nozzle. This is a foam cannon attached to any garden hose at home. It's durable 3/8 inches brass joint. It's a soap gun for home garden use. Best care for a car. Make sure this car cleaning is uncomplicated with this car foam gun here. Just turn the nozzle screw to easy to remove the dirt and grime from our vehicle, leaving it spotless and shiny in no time. And we have adjustable foam concentration. With its adjustable feature, the foam cannon for hose enables us to customize the foam density according to our needs. We achieve the optimal balance of power and gentleness for effective and safe cleaning every time. We have a 2-in-1 function. This spray water gun or soap onto our car with this car soap foam gun. Its pressed nozzle provides a consistent and even application, ensuring throughout cleaning through process. Pressure range of up to 2.5 to 6 bars are suitable for car cleaning and garden watering use. And with rich enough foam with that, this transforms our original car wash into a luxury foam bath with the car wash gun. This great tool generates rich, thick foam that clings to the surface to our car, effectively loosening and lifting away the stubborn dirt. And it fits on the most of the hose and taps. We connect the foam car wash sprayer to our garden hose effortlessly. The adjustable nozzle enhances water flow and ensure an optimal water distribution. This gives us a powerful and effective car washing experience, as you can see. It's easy, as you can see in that video. We plug in the siphon pipe into the connector of a compressed air pipe under the mixing heat. Then we align a small perturbable part of the foam nozzle with 4 grooves of mixing head, and then we insert a foaming stick into it. Of course, we does not need a compressed air pipe. We need a compressed water pipe, for example. We install a quick coupling of the pistol grip onto the quick connector, and of course, we tighten the quick connector and then we attach to the pistol grip. We fill an amount of detergent into the bottle and fix the bottle on the mixing decision. And of course, we assemble the hose kit to the tap water of a foam gun in the right way. We add the right amount of washing liquid. The capacity of the bottle is about 900 milliliter. To lay out the diagram and adjust the gradation according to the ratio, of course. So that means if we start with O, that's nothing, nearly nothing. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 comes to 140, 30, 20, 10% of foam, of course. Then we open the tap water faucet. We hold the control pole of the foam gun with the nozzle aiming at the object and spray the foam onto it. We lay it for a proper time and offload the foam gun and wash it up, baby. We remove the dirt water with the rubber clean and wipe it with the clean car wash cloth or with only the gun without the extension. We must hold the controlling pole of the gun closely and control the moisture after close the tap water of the faucet. And of course, that's easy. And of course, it makes a good foam, as you can see. It makes a good job. And we can adjust the foam intensity, of course. And we can fill the foam gun only with water if we need it to watering our garden, for example. So you can see this Youool or Youool car wash foam gun makes a good job at home or in the company or where you like to wash your car or something else with this sprayer with adjustable foam dial foam nozzle. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.